You will never be motivated by your purpose or a person or a place or a thing. In your life, you will never be motivated by a person. If you just wake up and watch some motivational video, that doesn't drive your entire day. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contour Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show, episode number 201, and in this episode we'll discuss about how to be so energetic in your life, how to be so energetic in your day. So let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contour Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end,
You know, many people just tell me that I'm not really getting motivated every single day. I watch more motivational video than you do. I watch more motivational videos somewhere around 10 to 20 every single day, but I am not really into the work that I do. I'm not working enough. I'm not working what I really love to do. I'm not really doing it. Why? I don't know why, but I'm not really getting into starting things. So many people have this question, and you might have this question. Even I have this question. But to be true, the reason why you're not interested to do is it's not that you're lazy. It's not that you are completely lazy so that you are not being motivated or you're not being doing that work for a long time, maybe after 100 days or 200 days like me, because you are not motivated by your goals. You are not motivated by your end goals. You are not motivated by your passion. That is the truth. And you know, you will never be motivated by your purpose or a person or a place or a thing. In your life, you will never be motivated by a person. If you just wake up and watch some motivational video, that doesn't drive your entire day. That is the truth. And I had this problem in quarantine. I wasn't waking up at 4 in my quarantine. I mean, when this lockdown was happening. So I was waking up at somewhere around 5:30, not even 5:30, it's somewhere around 6:30 or 7. So I felt so bored. I felt like I'm hating myself. I'm hating my job, and job in the sense just this podcast. So I'm hating this. I'm becoming completely lazy. I know there are plenty of people who have become lazy during the during this quarantine and all that. So I was thinking that I have become completely lazy. I am going on a side track, and I was just browsing through the internet one day, and what really happened is I had one person in my contact list. So her name is Pranita. She's a sport person, and what happened was she would sleep at 12:30 or 1 a.m. Every single day, and she would wake up at 5 or 6, somewhere around 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours of sleep, and she would just work so happy. I texted saying her, see, I'm not really waking up at 4, and it's not really happening. I have no idea what I'm trying to do, and I'm going on a side track. How do you really get motivated to do that from past many years? I'm just looking at her progress from past many years. How do you really do that? You know, her reply was beautiful. What she said was, see, your goals are not really motivating you. If you are really motivated by your goals, trust me, you will wake up at 4. That is the reason. Your goals are not motivating you. That is the only reason, Sanjay, you are not waking up at 4. And I was like I just stepped back and started analyzing things that, yeah, my goals, my passion, that's not motivating for me. How is that really possible? And I just think about it, and I just found a solution for it. Instead of thinking that your passion will motivate you, think what really energizes you every single day. So that will improve your life a lot. What really energizes you? If you feel like talking to your friend at the early morning energizes you, trust me, try doing it. Try doing it for 2 days. You'll be so happy. You'll wake up at 4. To be true, the 2 a.m. Text message is horrible. And the 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. waking up and talking to someone and getting motivated and starting your work is far, far better than that 2 a.m. texting. Trust me. So the very important thing is you don't really get motivated by your passion, your person, or someone else, like things that you want. Let's say you need $1 billion. Making money is never a waste, or making money is never a bad thing. Making $1 million is a great goal for sure, but that doesn't let you wake up every single day at 4 a.m., right? For that, what you have to do is the things that energizes you. You just have to think about that. Do that one particular thing as soon as you wake up. If you do that, for many people, it might be looking at the social media. To be true, if that's really good for you, try doing it. Why not? There are plenty of experts who tell you that don't look at the social media. I have said that too. Don't look at the social media when you just wake up. That will break your entire day. For sure, it will break you. But if that's your motivation, if looking at some pictures, if looking at someone and feeling motivated, that is your motivation, try doing it as soon as you wake up. That is the motivation that you have. So you are not being energized by your end goals. You are being energized by doing it. That is the thing that I have discovered. And try that. Drop your thoughts. DM me in Instagram what really happened. If you just try that, if you just try doing it, you'll be so happy for sure. So try DMing me after you try do it for 1 day or 2 days. And yeah, if you could hit that red button, I'll be so happy. And if you could hit that notification button next to that, that means the world to me, guys. Trust me. And that means the world to me. And the shout out in this episode is for Pranita. So she's the person who motivated me. She just asked me one question, and that one question motivated me a lot to wake up every single day again at 4 o'clock. Thanks a lot for that, Pranita. And yeah, if you need a shout out, make sure you guys comment on my videos, comment on my Instagram post. I'll give you a shout out for sure. You'll be the next person who will be featured in my podcast for sure. And yeah, thanks a lot for listening to this episode, this podcast, guys. Until then, it's me, Sanjay, signing off from Contra Podcast. Meet you guys at the top. Bye bye. Thank you.